Hello and welcome to Legacy Coder. In today's video, we are going to talk about the types of data that you will encounter as a data scientist, data analyst, or anyone else working in the realm of data. The word data is plural of the word datum. Datum means one piece of information, whereas data comprise many pieces of related information. For example, height of any one student in a class is datum, whereas heights of all students in a class is data. There are many criteria for classifying the data. According to one criteria, data is divided into quantitative data and qualitative data. Quantitative data include numbers representing counts or measurements, whereas qualitative data comprise of names or labels. Quantitative data is further divided into two types, namely discrete data and continuous data. Let's take a look at them one by one. Discrete data is usually countable or finite in number. It is usually a whole number. For example, number of eggs a hen lays in a week, number of students in a class, etc. On the other hand, continuous data is not countable or finite. It is usually a measurement and it can take any value on the real number line. For example, length of an object, height of a man, distance traveled by a car, etc. According to another criteria, data is divided into four types, namely nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio data. Nominal data consists of names, labels, or categories only. This type of data cannot be arranged in any order. For example, names of different people, gender, race, etc. Ordinal data consists of data that can be arranged in some order. For example, ranks of different athletes in a racing competition, grades achieved by a student in his final exam, etc. One thing to note about this type of data is that the difference between the data values is meaningless. Interval data, just like the ordinal data, can be arranged in some order. The difference between the data values in this type of data is meaningful. One more property of this type of data is that it does not have a natural zero. Natural zero means wherever there is a zero in data, it indicates the absence of data. For example, temperature, years, etc. Temperature of 0 degrees Celsius does not mean the absence of heat. Similarly, the year 0 according to Gregorian calendar does not mean the absence of time, because time does not started at year 0. Last is the ratio data. This type of data can also be ordered, and differences between the data values are meaningful. It has a natural zero. For example, length, weight, amount of money, etc. Length of 0 units means the absence of length. Similarly, 0 amount of money means the absence of money. This brings us to the end of this video. I hope I was able to make you understand these topics. If you found this video useful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more of these informative videos, and I will see you in the next video with yet another interesting topic.